Good morning, students. Now today we will again do 7.6 exercise. Here I have next question. Question is, Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 whole 1/3 piece of cake. Okay. Find the total amount of cake given to them. Okay. Here also it is written total amount. So what you have to do? You have to add them. You have to find out total amount of cake. So that one you will find out by adding. Okay. Now let's start the solution. Now here is the solution. First what you will write down the portion given to Naina. Okay. Cake taken by Naina, or you can write portion given to Naina also. Okay. 1.5 piece. Now next, cake taken by Nazma. That is 1 whole 1/4 piece. Getting? Now we have to find total amount of cake. How we will find it out? We will just add them, and how we will add them? Let's see. Now see. Total cake taken is 1 whole 1/2 plus 1 whole 1/3. Okay. Now what you will do? These are given in mixed number. So what we will do? We will just convert them first into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. 3/2. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. 4/3. Get it? Now you have to find out LCM. Now LCM of 2 and 3. Why we are finding LCM? To convert them into like fraction. Okay. To convert them into like fraction, when these two will be converted into like fractions, means denominator will become same. Then only we will be able to add them. So here is the LCM. 2 ones are 2. 3 will remain same. Then with 3. Okay. So what is the LCM is 6. So what we will do? We will make both of them denominator with 2. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Now 4/3 is 2 with the 2. It is 8/6. Now 9 plus 8/6. How much it is? It is 17/6. Okay, it is 17/6. Now the 17/6, as in question it is given in mixed fraction, so here also we will convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so how we will convert them into mixed fraction? We will divide this 17/6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 5. This is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. So it is Q whole R upon D. So what is Q here? 2. Remainder is 5. And the divisor is this. This much is the total amount of cake given to both of them. Good? Now here is the next question. Question is, Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Okay. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? You have to tell whose is more full, means you have to compare them. Okay. So you have to compare, and you know how to compare it, and by what fraction means how much, by how much more it is full means. Okay. So here we will start. First we will write down fraction of Asha's bookshelf. Okay. Fraction of Asha's bookshelf. How much it is? 5 by 6. Fraction of Samuel's bookshelf. Fraction of Samuel's bookshelf. It is how much? 2 by 5. Okay. Now whose is more? So we will just compare them. So for comparing, we will just make the denominator same. So for this, we will just take LCM of 5 and 6. See here. 2 3s are, it is, and 5 1s are 5. Okay. So it is 30. So this one we will make 30. 5 by 6. It is 6 5s are 30. 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30. And second one we will make 5 6 are. So here also we will make it 5 6 are 30. So one fraction is 25 by 30. Another fraction is 12 by 30. Now see which one is more. This one is more. This one. So it means this one more means 5 by 6 is more than 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. So what we will write? Whose part is more? Asha's part is more. So you will write Asha's bookshelf is more filled. Okay. Here we will write Asha's bookshelf. Asha's bookshelf is more full than Samuel. Then Samuel's bookshelf. Okay. Now next one, by how much? So for this we will subtract them. Okay. Whenever it is asked by what fraction or by how much, so you will, so in that case you will just subtract it. Okay. Now see here. It is 25 minus 12 by 30. Yes. 25 minus 12 by 30 means 13 by 30. So by this fraction, the Asha's bookshelf is more filled than Samuel's bookshelf. Okay.